Hello, hello, beautiful. So, this week I have some different stuff for you. I want to show you a little bit of what I've been up to and yeah, some interesting things, let's just say. Some interesting things. So, the profit has been okay. It's not great, but I think that's about to change, not so far in the future. We are looking at this right here for profits. All right, so with the new launches, we're at $2,100 profit. Just Amazon, so probably that another 600. But again, I have, I pay my ads agency like more than $1,500, and then I have some other costs, so I'm not making any money here, to be honest. So it's pretty bad, if I say so myself. However, it's okay. There's a lot of things that I'm investing in. I just want to reinvest everything back into the business and just grow it, right? So without the new launches, as you can see here, we have with the new launches 10K spent, 2K profit, so basically no profit. But the older books, so as you can see, the older books are doing much better at an ROI of 54%, right? But again, all of this is about to change, hopefully, very soon. And why? I'll tell you right now. So, my friend, I just had my first organic sale today, yes, from TikTok, okay? And that's the exciting part because this is something. If I got my first organic sale from TikTok, it means as I improve the videos, we're gonna have one that can go viral, or better said, we can probably just run ads to it if it converts good enough, right? Now, ideally, it just converts on its own and goes viral. So that's the good thing. I mean, it's pretty great that we have one. So let's see how it goes after this. I was also editing the video stuff for music, so I pushed out some stuff for my music. So that's exciting. And yeah, I want to continue with the music. I'm listening to the course of Ryan Tedder for music, and of course, I need to make content there. And yeah, I'm also delegating in Spark uploads, which is great. Now, the lady which works for me, because my assistant stopped working with me, and that was really sad because he was doing good. But what to do? Getting tired. Also, Spain match today with Argentina. I'm gonna go watch a little bit. But anyway, so that's that. So that happened, and then on the other hand, yeah, for the diabetes book, I updated the book so it has all the videos now, like on the cover, on the description, etc. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, people use the videos. If not, I wasted like $4,000 or $5,000 or more. So that's that. And then also doing some testing, sending myself some management fee to see how that goes with the US LLC. And yeah, also I have a alarm now, so I don't check the phone unless it's within a certain time frame. So that's good. I wasted a lot of time on a date where I should have ended the date earlier, but I learned very few good things by having pain. I understood how to create better comfort, how to end it earlier when you see it's not going anywhere. And yeah, that's basically it. Then on the other hand, yeah, basically this week I had huge amounts of pain, but that was huge amounts of progress because I went into that room right there, oh, wait, there, and it's pretty dark there. I just laid down. I almost wanted to cry, but I didn't. But I had a lot of pain, right? So that pain, being humiliated by myself, um, when I was trying to escalate on my date where the comfort hadn't been built enough, it felt like such a strong rejection, even though it probably wasn't because I did meet her again and everything was fine. But with that in mind, I learned amazing things with the help of my friend. So yeah, things are getting smoother, I would say. So it feels good. Still unclear with my tax residency and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. But anyways, now I'm trying to solve the driver's license issue. So let's see if I can solve that. One thing that I've been violating a lot this week, which I would say it's very not useful use of my time, is I've been talking about the goals and what I should do and stuff so much about music, about work. I should just be executing at this point. Like every hour that I talk, it's just good emotions going out. It only makes sense when I have an execution team where I can talk about what to execute. Otherwise, right now it's just me that's executing. I should just like do it, no talking. So that's been very bad, to be honest. Very bad. Talk less, do more, because that's the disease that I have. I talk too much. And yeah, the tax decision is making me go crazy. I'm comfortable where I am. I don't want to move, but yeah. And on the other hand, I also have UGC creators now working and creating videos for me. So that's great. That's awesome. So yeah, it's from my older book that's on TikTok Shop right now. Let's see how it goes, man. I'm excited. So there's that. And for the next weeks, basically, the biggest, most important thing is TikTok. Just keep going on TikTok, whether that's for work mostly and then for music, right? Because without TikTok, something that I keep remembering, and I love that I read that book by Carnegie, is just I need to keep trying stuff that no one else is trying. That's truly how to build an advantage, right? So yeah, anytime I have a choice, I need to be telling myself, is this something that other people even would try? If it's a no, then of course most of the time I will fail, but the times that I do succeed, I think it's going to be a huge payoff. So I'm very thankful for that, and I'm trying TikTok. It's not like no one else is trying it, but I would say it's closer to that than just doing something that everyone is doing, right? All right, that's it for now, and have a beautiful day. See you next week. Let's see how things go. Bye bye.